Do you feel overwhelmed with all the current Black Friday deals coming at you from all sides? I know that feeling oh so well. So I took the time to look through tons of current Black Friday deals to share with you my top 5 picks this holiday season for underwater image makers. Coming up. Welcome guys to this special video completely dedicated to this year's best Black Friday deals for underwater image makers. If you don't know me yet, my name is Matthias. I'm an underwater cinematographer and content creator for the scuba diving and water sports industries. I've been in this game of looking for the best deals on underwater imaging equipment for over 15 years, and I know how difficult it has become finding the real good deals among all the countless offerings from various manufacturers just wanting your money. So I thought I'd make your life a little easier, do some research for you and make a list of my personal top 5 Black Friday deals of 2024, as always from the perspective of an underwater image maker. All deals are listed down in the video description below. And now, with no further delays, let's have a look at those truly awesome holiday deals. Insta360 has become one of the biggest players in the action and consumer camera segment, and they have seriously started targeting scuba divers as customers in recent times. How do I know? Just look at the new underwater mode feature they specifically designed for us underwater image makers and included in their latest action cam, the Ace Pro 2. Thank you Insta360 for doing this. If I may speak for the diving community, we really appreciate that recognition. So they have probably one of the best deals this year when it comes to action cameras. Their original Insta360 Ace Pro is reduced by a whopping 33%. Pretty much a no-brainer if you're looking to get a really solid action camera to start capturing your underwater adventures. You're more of a 360-degree shooter? No worries at all, you can pick up their latest 360 camera, the X4 at 15% off, or its predecessor, the X3 at 27% off. And if you need any accessories for your Insta360 cameras, they are discounted by 10%. My good friends at Divevolk are crushing it again this year with a store-wide discount of 20% on everything except video lights. Get the brand new Seatouch 4Max Plus housing, the Platinum housing, trays, filters, lenses, or even the official Divevolk online course Mastering Your Divevolk Seatouch 4 Max with great savings, getting yourself ready for your next dive adventure to come. That's what I call a good deal. If you've been following this channel for a bit, you would have probably seen that I like playing around with underwater scooters a lot. They are just so much fun to use and can at the same time be quite beneficial for an underwater videographer. Think camera stability on moving shots. I was happily surprised when I saw that LEFEET, a Chinese company that makes top-notch small and portable underwater scooters, is offering up to 20% off on their popular models P1, S1 Pro and C1. That would certainly make a really good Christmas present for your favorite dive buddy, don't you think? I definitely don't need to tell you who the company Backscatter is. I bet most of you have bought stuff from Backscatter in the past. As every year, they have a huge selection of discounted gear this holiday season again. My favorite pick this year are the different deals on their very own macro-wide 4300 underwater video light. Still one of the best compact lights on the market that has been very popular among underwater videographers for quite some years. Depending on what set you choose, you can save more than $250 or roughly 25% of the regular price. A second deal caught my attention if you're in the market for a compact camera. You can get between $210 to $466 discount on a package with an Olympus TG7, the according housing, a tray and a variation of macro-wide 4300 video lights. Go check out all Backscatter holiday deals on their website. You'll find the link below in the video description. And last but not least, I'm immensely happy to announce that I myself am working on a specific GoPro online course for underwater image makers. It's called Mastering Your GoPro Underwater and will teach you how to get the best possible underwater results from your GoPro. It will cover everything from preferred settings, best practices, specialized shooting techniques, useful accessories, post-production workflows and much more. It will be an ongoing course where new topics will be added from time to time and new features on future models will be covered as well. My goal was to have the course finished and ready for this holiday season, but due to a heavy workload and some larger client projects in the past couple of months, I missed that goal unfortunately. The new hard release date is set to February 28th, 2025. In order for you to still benefit from a Black Friday deal, I'm offering a pre-release option for the course. If you purchase the Mastering Your GoPro Underwater online course before December 31st, you'll only pay $39 instead of $79, which will be the regular price starting January 1st, 2025. Have a look at the detailed description of the course through the link in the video description below. And of course, there are also some discounts on my existing online courses and LUT packs. Between today and December 15th, you can benefit from a 20% discount. Links to all the mentioned deals are in the video description below. I hope I'm able to help you find your way through the Black Friday deals jungle and discover a suitable, good holiday deal for you or your favorite dive buddy. Let me know down in the comments what appeals most to you and what you will be getting, whether that is for yourself or someone else. And if you're still unsure which action camera to get to capture your underwater adventures, check out this comprehensive comparison video next. Have a great Black Friday weekend and I'll see you in the next video.